Hi and welcome back to What's on Wheels. Back in early 2017, Musk and the Tesla inner circle were brainstorming a pickup truck to conquer America's markets. But Elon Musk, as always, wanted something different, something bold. He drew inspiration from the Lotus Esprit in the James Bond movie, The Spy Who Loved Me, aiming to create a truck that looked like the future. Almost 3 years later, the first prototype was unveiled, and it shocked the entire world with its bold claims, gathering 2 million pre-orders. The vehicle was planned to hit the markets in late 2021, but the production has proven difficult, especially the stainless steel body. And now after 2 years of delay, here we are with the Cybertruck. But the big question is it what the world needs right now, or did Tesla had a bad idea from the start? Stay tuned as we dissect the numbers. Since its jaw-dropping reveal in 2019, the Cybertruck has faced one public challenge after another. From the infamous window-smashing incident during the concept reveal to subsequent delays, leaked reports on engineering flaws, and Elon Musk's candid admission that they dug their own grave with the Cybertruck, the journey has been nothing short of eventful. Customer deliveries began in November 30th, offering choices like the 845 brake horsepower Cyberbeast tri-motor version and a $79,990 all-wheel drive dual-motor version. The Cybertruck's unconventional design, stainless steel exoskeleton, and Elon Musk's ambitious promises have stirred public curiosity and criticism alike. The rear-wheel drive variant boasts an estimated 250 miles of range and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 6.5 seconds. The all-wheel drive version offers approximately 340 miles of range and accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds. And the Cyberbeast, designed for performance enthusiasts, delivers a range of up to 320 miles on a full charge and accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in an impressive 2.6 seconds. A unique range extender option allows the AWD variant to achieve over 470 miles of range, while the Cyberbeast can cover more than 440 miles. Elon Musk mentioned an additional battery pack that fits into one-third of the bed, providing flexibility for owners based on their needs. The Cybertruck features a powered frunk, named PowerGate, Tesla's first-ever powered front trunk. The frunk reveals a hidden bench that can seat 2 people, along with more than 7 cubic feet of space. In the rear, the truck features the vault, an underbed storage compartment with weather sealing and a drain hole. The 6-foot by 4-foot bed, covered by a powered tonneau cover, is made of durable sheet-molded composite material. Standard adaptive air suspension with multiple height settings, rear-wheel steering, and various tech features contribute to the Cybertruck's appeal. The Cybertruck weighs approximately 6,700 pounds, with a loading capacity of 2,500 pounds, and can tow up to 5 tons, and Tesla recommends the additional battery pack for those planning heavy towing. The exterior, clad in stainless steel panels forming a bulletproof exoskeleton, showcases a unique manufacturing process called air bending. However, bending stainless steel turned out to be a significant challenge, and Tesla had to invent a new process to achieve it. The result is a truck with exposed edges, chamfered for safety but requiring some adjustment for users. While it attracts attention but is not without its quirks. Now, can it perform as a true off-road truck? Well, it haven't been tested extensively, but the Cybertruck boasts promising features like air suspension with a wide range, all-terrain tires, electronic differential, and a Baja setting for more adventurous driving. Elon Musk has come a long way from being a successful entrepreneur to becoming a figure to influence the whole world. Recently, after he went on a kind of intense rant at the New York Times Dealbook Summit, he unveiled the Cybertruck. It's like he can make anything happen these days, and it's making us wonder where this is all heading. The Cybertruck is getting a lot of attention, and everyone's saying it's going to sell like crazy. But here's the big question. Does it really match what people need right now? Even though everyone's talking about the Cybertruck, it's just another big, expensive electric truck. Is that really what the world needs? Some folks think we should be focusing on more affordable, smaller electric cars. You know, the kind that can replace those regular gas guzzlers and help us move toward cleaner energy faster. Let's think about this for a moment. What if Tesla used their energy and money to make a cheaper $25,000 electric car that everyone's been waiting for? That could have been a game changer, fixing issues like people not wanting electric cars and making a real difference in our everyday lives. According to a book about Musk, Tesla was actually thinking about this $25,000 electric car back in 2020. People at the company thought it could help Tesla grow a lot. But Musk had other ideas. He insisted on a self-driving taxi instead, saying anything less would be boring and not exciting enough. Now, we're waiting for that self-driving thing to happen, and it might take a few more years for the Cybertruck to cost what Musk promised, $60,000. Did Musk's intense focus on the Cybertruck mess up the chance for a more affordable electric car? That's something we really need to think about. The Cybertruck, from its prolonged development to the recent delivery event, has sparked numerous concerns and criticisms, raising questions about its viability as a groundbreaking idea. Elon Musk's insistence on unconventional design choices, such as the stainless steel exoskeleton, has resulted in manufacturing challenges and delays. The limited initial deliveries, combined with ongoing efforts to redesign the electrical architecture, suggests that the Cybertruck faces substantial hurdles in meeting its original promises. The significant financial losses anticipated by Tesla, coupled with the evolving production challenges, bring into question the feasibility of the Cybertruck's initial price tag. The decision to prioritize a high-performance, resource-intensive electric pickup at a time when market demand leans towards more affordable and sustainable options further raises doubts about the Cybertruck's strategic positioning in the electric vehicle landscape. Jefferies analyst Philippe Houchoy has reduced Tesla's stock target to $210 per share, citing lowered earnings and cash flow estimates. While his suggestion to cancel the Cybertruck is controversial, he highlights Tesla's short-term challenges and suggests focusing on high-volume global segments and the 4680 battery for the Model Y instead. Elon Musk had previously noted that the Cybertruck might take 12 to 18 months to contribute significantly to positive cash flow. In the end, the Cybertruck is still an impressive vehicle. As we ponder the impact of Elon Musk's vision and Tesla's strategic choices, it becomes evident that the Cybertruck may not be the transformative force originally envisioned. The ongoing refinements, financial uncertainties, and shifting market demands prompt us to reflect on whether the Cybertruck was indeed a step in the right direction for Tesla. What are your thoughts on the Cybertruck saga? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.